everyone, welcome back to another lab solution of Arcade, and today we will be doing App Engine Quick Start Go from level 1 of Arcade games. So first we will start the lab and then we will open it in incognito window. Then click on I understand and then you have to select I agree and then agree and continue. After this you have to go back to the instructions and click on task 1. For task 1 you can see that you have to click this and okay, you have to enable App Engine Admin API. So first you will copy it from here and then you will paste it here. After clicking, you will see that if it is not enabled, you can enable it. And as this is already enabled, we will continue with the next steps. Task 2 is in Cloud Shell, so we will start the Cloud Shell. Click on Continue and then click on Authorize. After your Cloud Shell screen is loaded, you can come back to the instructions. First, you will copy this git clone command and paste here to clone this GitHub repository. After the execution of this command is completed, you will simply change the directory using this command and pasting it here. After this, onto the task 3, we will deploy our app using sudo apt-get install. We will copy this command and paste here. Now, as for the region part, we will come back to the lab and we will see what region is given here. For my lab, it is given US Central, but for your lab, it may be something different. So pay attention to that. We'll copy. No, we don't need to copy actually. It is US Central, so you will come here and find US Central among this, and it is in second number, so I will click 2. After this, we have to wait for it to create the App Engine application. And then it will ask for our input for continuation. And again, into the third step, it says we have to enter Y. Enter capital Y. Now we have to wait for some time to finish this command. And the working command has completed, so we will move on to the next step. Now we have to view our application using this command and then click on this link. And it has loaded as you can see. Now we will go on to the instructions again and check our progress. And it's completed. After this, you can simply end this lab. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.